Hey y'all, welcome back to Mima's house. Today I'm in the kitchen, got my apron on, and I'm going to make another cookie. We're having guests over for Christmas Eve, so I want to make sure that I have enough desserts to hand out to everybody and for them to eat while they're here. So today we're making an almond spritz cookie, if I could get it out. Today we're making an almond spritz cookie. So stay with me and let's make cookies. We'll start making these cookies by adding 2/3 cup of sugar with 1 cup of butter, and we'll cream that with our mixer. Now I'm going to scrape down my bowl and cream it just a little bit longer so that the butter and sugar will become very fluffy. Okay, let's add our next ingredients. I'm going to start with adding 1/4 teaspoon of salt. I'm using my 1/8 teaspoon measuring spoon. Can't find my 1/4 teaspoon measuring spoon, so I'll do 2 1/8. Now I'm going to add 1/2 teaspoon of vanilla paste, and also I'll be adding 1/2 teaspoon of almond extract. We'll mix this in before we add our egg. And remember, everything is at room temperature. Now let's get ready to add our 2 cups of flour. Now that is our cookie dough, and it's a good stiff consistency because you want your cookie to stand up. You can use a cookie press as well as a bag and a tip to make these cookies. I'll show you what I'm going to do. I'm preparing a 12-inch piping bag with a star tip, one of the larger star tips. Because of the stiffness of the dough, I'm only going to use 1/3 of the dough in my piping bag at a time so that I can have plenty of room to squeeze. Now these cookies don't spread like cookies that have leavening in them, so I don't have to space them so far apart. So I have made the cookie dough, and now all I need to do is let it sit in the refrigerator for 10 minutes, and then I will put it in a 350-degree oven for 7 to 9 minutes, take it off, and let it cool. I'll bring you back when I'm putting them in the oven. Okay, y'all, so my cookies are done, and it's time for my taste tester. Now, you saw me just sift the powdered sugar on it, and this makes about 3 dozen cookies. So this is a lot of cookies for my family to enjoy. So let me get my taste tester in, my most favorite. I got 2 most favorites, but let her in so that she can taste it for you. Okay, so I got my 2 taste testers here, and they're going to taste my almond spritz cookies.
They're good.
They're good?
Mm-hmm. It was so good with a tall glass of milk.
Yeah, a tall glass of milk.
It's
yes.
really good.
Good.
It's good.
Okay, so you know I have to taste it. I got my cookie here. You see it? I put a little powdered sugar on it. See how the bottom looks? Mmm. Mmm. It's nice and buttery. And it's sweet enough. You know what it would go good with? A cup of coffee in the morning. It's not a very sweet cookie, but it's a good cookie. It's a buttery cookie. Soft on the inside and crunchy on the outside. So, I hope you enjoyed this video in my series of cookies for Christmas. Join me for one more, and then it'll be Christmas time. Y'all be blessed. Bye. Thank y'all so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video, and if you like this recipe, give it a thumbs up. Y'all be blessed. Bye.